Hey there, welcome back. Today we're setting up our Raspberry Pi coding environment so you can start coding. Let's jump in. The Raspberry Pi operating system already comes with Python pre-installed, but let's double check. Open your terminal and type Python 3 -- version. If you see a version number, you're good. If not, run sudo apt install Python 3 followed by Python 3 pip. That would install Python and pip, the package manager you'll need for additional libraries. Thonny is a great beginner-friendly IDE that's bundled with Raspberry Pi operating system. Just launch it from the programming menu. If you prefer something more robust, try Visual Studio, and you can install that by just typing sudo apt install code. Once installed, open it up and add the Python extension, and you're ready to code. Create a dedicated folder for each project. I like to keep them under projects. Name your folders based on the project. For instance, it can be projects and whatever you want, whether that is my cool app or my Raspberry Pi project. This keeps your workspace clutter-free and makes it easy to find your code later. If you're new to Git, don't worry, just know to install Git. All you have to do is sudo apt install Git. And to be able to initialize your repo, you could run the git init command. Virtual environments let you isolate your project libraries. In Python, you just have to type Python 3 followed by a -m followed by venv followed by another venv, and then you'd be able to, and then type in source followed by venv -bin followed by -activate. This would allow you to install packages with pip and it won't affect your entire system. And that's it. Your Raspberry Pi coding environment is set up. You have Python and IDE like Visual Studio or Thonny for text editors. You're able to organize projects, and through Git, you'd be able to perform version controls. And lastly, we covered virtual environment. If this was helpful, hit like and subscribe and drop a comment below about what you'd like to see on the channel. See you soon.